Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to study last minute for Sejarah, full guide. Start by listing the highest weight topics and commit to them first, then choose two dependable study methods like active recall and timed practice. Use past papers to mirror exam conditions and learn the common question styles. Prioritize summaries, mind maps, and key facts, and avoid deep dives into low-value topics. Keep calm, stay focused, and study with purpose. Use active recall techniques that force your brain to retrieve facts rather than reread them. Make concise mind maps that connect causes, effects, and major figures to build a clear story in your head. Time yourself on past questions to practice concise, structured answers and to manage exam pacing. Alternate short focus sessions with brief rests to keep retention high, and review your weakest links last to shore up gaps. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps creators. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for background focus and handy timers during study sessions. I spotted one in my setup and it made focusing easier, so check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Make a one-page summary of essential dates, names, and event sequences you can review repeatedly. Focus on clear arguments and evidence in your answers rather than trying to include every minor detail. Pack your bag, plan your route, and decide your exam day timing to minimize last-minute stress. Get a sensible night of rest, eat a light breakfast, and use calm breathing before the paper to keep concentration steady.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.